Hi everyone, welcome to this week e-commerce tutorial, the best place for e-commerce seller tips and tricks. Do you know 90% of e-commerce business fail in their first 120 days? Let's take a look what the survey say and how can you avoid this in year 2022. I'm sure if you are already in the business, surely you wish your business to be prosperous and scalable. Please stay to the end of this video because if any point that touches you means to say your business may facing the risk, so make sure you avoid it further. Yeah, your first time here, hi, I'm Vanette, I'm the e-commerce coach. I help corporate employee who hates their job and wish to resign to start a side hustle fast. I release a weekly video at this channel to share tips and tricks of e-commerce businesses. So if you are interested to learn more about e-commerce, please subscribe and click the little bell to receive a weekly video from me. Let's go. Number one, not planning and testing products. People think that all you have to do is to pick any products to sell. Is this right? Wrong. All right. Unfortunately, you have to wake up and realize that you cannot just bring a product into the market and not testing first. You have to do market research through survey or pre-launch tests. Second, you surrender too fast. We all know that when something goes wrong in the plan, they automatically give up. This is the same as e-commerce. You feel as if you've done everything right from the research, from the competitor analysis, but for some reason, you decide to shut it down and give up just because the product you choose is not selling as much as you thought. You want to at least minimum test out 5 to 10 products before calling it quits. You will learn from your previous failure as well. Third, the most important point is you don't have a customer service. If you are selling product online, and people will have questions, and if you cannot provide the answer or have a team to answer them, they will leave your website forever. So what you can do is at least has one active email address so that any query could reach you on a timely basis. It doesn't matter the size of your company or how well it is doing. If you ignore your customers and do not build some relationship, even if the customer don't feel like you care for them, and they will not care for you. Well, to conclude, many mistakes occur during building an e-commerce business, but as entrepreneur, you must know it is those same mistakes you need to learn from to continue in business or watch the whole e-commerce business for. If you are still stay till this moment of the video, I really appreciate you and I wish to reward you this FAQ guide on the most asked questions by my students all this while. In this guide, I may answer your questions too. Get a copy before you start your e-commerce business. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time and I shall see you next week. Take care.